Today we're in Quinte West at a great property where you get the added benefit of a private rural setting without feeling far removed from everyday conveniences. This property is only minutes to CFB Trenton, Brighton, Highway 401 and all the amenities you need, while still offering the kind of space and privacy many buyers are searching for right now. The home has also seen several important updates, making it feel fresh, functional, and move-in ready. The kitchen has been recently renovated with modern finishes and a clean, timeless design that blends nicely with the rest of the home. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the overall feel of the home is warm, inviting, and easy to enjoy. The layout includes 2 bedrooms along with a dedicated office space, offering flexibility for anyone working from home or simply needing additional functional space. The bathroom has also been fully updated, giving the space a fresh and cohesive feel throughout. What really makes this property stand out is the setting. The oversized lot offers privacy, mature surroundings, and room to enjoy the outdoors without feeling crowded by neighbors. The wraparound deck extends the living space outside and creates a great area to relax or entertain during the warmer months. And the detached double-car garage is both heated and insulated, making it ideal not only for vehicles, but also for a workshop, hobby space, or additional storage. Properties like this are becoming harder to find, offering space, privacy, updates, and convenience all in one location.